What is good, gang? We back with another motherfucking reaction. So I said it was gonna be Little Skies. Look. He tricked me, bro. He tricked me, bro. He posted this earlier. You feel me? He posted this earlier. I thought he dropped this. You feel me? So I thought I was gonna be listening to it. But look. Preview. But you already know the reaction is coming soon. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, motherfucker. Share this shit with your mom. We're trying to give back to the community over here. You feel me? If you haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead. Hit that motherfucking follow right there. We just got verified on the gang. Just keep it moving. We're gonna be reacting to a ALFA, HELICOPTERO. So already know, we gotta keep el patio siempre en la mente, papi, porque te imaginas, bro. I'm Dominican, bro. I gotta react to this shit, bro. Come on, gang. This is gonna be lit. Yeah, we doing this on this one. We doing this on this one.
Ella se encarga de hacerme el toco. Ella se encarga de hacerme el toco. Ella se encarga de hacerme el toco. Ahí va volando. Un helicóptero nuevo que está matando. Ahí va volando. Ella tiene 19 y la chapa la está matando. Dale dos al boruno aquí para ahí tú la matas. Toca el tono en leche para que baje la resaca. Y yo lo hago donde sea. Oye cómo suena el helicóptero rapando donde sea. En el helicóptero rapando donde sea. En el helicóptero rapando donde sea. En el helicóptero rapando.
No, el diablo, mi amor. ¿Por qué tú estás así a boca abajo? ¿Por qué tú estás así, abusadora? Vamos
donde sea.
A ver, vamos a ponerlo ahí para que don't hit me with, tú sabes, with that band, with the hammer, you feel me? Don't hit me with the band real quick. The song, I like where El ALFA is going with this shit though. Quavo was just in DR with Rochi. He made peace with Rochi already. You feel me? Already. You see the accent came out right there. By the way, if I don't speak English perfect, my bad, son. Like, come on. Man, I went from DR, New York, fucking Michigan, came back to New York, then moved to Jersey, bro. I got all these fucking accents, mad confused. Leave me the fuck alone. So, but yeah, I like the way he's taking the, how you say this? The country. He has the country on his back right now. Him and Rochi got the country on his back. So I fuck with it, you feel me?
En el helicóptero rapando donde sea. Mi sueño es hacerlo en un avión, pero no tengo visa, no tengo pasaporte. A la vuelta se me frisa, ahí se me frisa, ahí se me frisa. Quiero sentir el gustico cuando aterriza. Se cayó la vuelta, tenemos bobo. Los papeles de un boricua para cruzar yo me los robo. Me encontré con un cubano en Guatemala que me dijo, Alfa, la frontera está mala. Yo tengo la cone, la cone. En México tienen un túnel que te tira donde es. Yo tengo la...
He's talking about the shit that is going on in DR right now. So everybody's going through Colombia. So come up through the frontera, bro. Like, they be hopping the border, bro. Like, they got on a flight, went to Colombia, went all the way up to Mexico on a bus and walking. Then they cross over to the States. Like, DR motherfuckers are coming out over here a lot. So he's talking about it on this shit. He's saying he got the connect and shit. So, alright.
La cone, México tienen un túnel que te tira donde es. Al final nos quedamos solos y rotos, llamamos 4 cueros y no hicieron el toco. Al final nos quedamos solos y rotos, llamamos 4 cueros y no hicieron el toco.
So you're gonna get lit right now? Damn. So that bounce it?
Ella se encarga de hacerme el toco. Ella se encarga de hacerme el toco.
Damn, maldita perra. A girl ever looks at me for more than 3 seconds, I'm getting you fucking pregnant. It's no fucks given, bro. No fucks given, bro. I'm getting you pregnant. It was this shorty at my job today, so my Asian shorty, like 4'9", you feel me? She looked at me for more than 3 seconds. I said, why you looking at me like that? Like, Come here, let me get a hug, ma. You feel me? Damn, I just sounded like that nigga. Like, yo, where my hug at? Chill, bro. It's not like that, bro. She was looking at me. So low-key ass, but I appreciate you putting our country and on your back. Don't worry, I'm gonna be carrying that shit with you, homie, one day. So, out of 10, we're gonna do this real quick. Chill. Now we can't do him like that. We can't do him like that. We're gonna hit that like, just like how you should be hitting that like on this fucking channel. Make sure you fucking hit the sub, gang. We out to the next motherfucking video. I don't know what else I'm gonna be reacting to, but I'm gonna find something else because I didn't upload this morning. So we're gonna drop at least 2 more videos after this one. So stay tuned. Subscribe, share this shit with your mom and with your cousin that lives in another motherfucking country. So we out.